Hello, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about model of Internetwork security. So let us see the diagram first. What is the model of Internetwork security? So how an information is transferred from sender to receiver. So is there any proper channel is there? Whether the information which is transferred from sender to receiver is secured or not? What communication channel that the information passes? So first of all, let us understand the difference between data and information. So data is nothing but which is unprocessed, whereas information is processed. Okay. Now we'll see how the information will be transferred from sender to receiver through a proper channel, and whether the information is sent from sender to receiver properly, or there any other third person who is watching our information, whether a security parameter is provided or not. So we'll see each one in detail. So first, here we have a sender. Okay, so here we'll send a message. So in upcoming classes we'll discuss clearly about plain text and ciphertext anyhow. So for time being, let us understand that this is a message. Okay, so here we have a message, here we have a sender. Now sender wants to send an information to receiver. Here we can call it as a recipient or a receiver. Okay, so sender wants to send a message to receiver or recipient through a proper secure channel. Now let us observe whether the channel is secure or not. So first what we'll do, we have a message here, he is a sender. He wants to send the message. Now that message should be secret information. So if you clearly observe here, this is the secret information here. So this is secret information, and now the message will be turned into a secure message. So how a normal message is turned into a secure message? So that process and all is encryption and decryption. We'll discuss in the future classes. But for time being, let us understand that we have applied a procedure so that our normal message is turned into a secret message. Okay. So let us understand that as an encryption. Okay. So here we have a security related transformation. So what exactly happens is, during this phase, our normal message will be converted into secure message. You can observe here, our normal message is converted into a secure message through secret information. Okay. Now this secure message should be transferred to a proper information channel. So here if you observe, we have a proper information channel here. Through this channel only the information should pass. Now what happened? Our message is converted into secure message, and this message should pass through an information channel. Now in the meanwhile, if you observe, I have a trusted third party. This sender and receiver should rely upon a trusted third party. So we can call them as an arbiter or a distributor of secret information. So this trusted third party will act as a third person. He will send the information from sender to receiver in a secure manner. So we can call him as an arbiter or a distributor of secret information. So if there is good, obviously there will be bad, right? So here we have a trusted third party in which sender and receiver, both parties will trust him. At the same time, both sender and receiver doesn't know that here we have an opponent. Who is an opponent here? Opponent can be a hacker or an intruder who watches whether the information is going through proper channel or not. The main objective of opponent is how to steal the information. Okay. So in the meanwhile, so that's the reason opponent will always sit near information channel, whereas trusted third party will also sit at the same point, same juncture. So opponent always wait for the chance whether he can steal the information or not. So here the information which we discussed in the previous class is passive attacks and active attacks. So how attacks will happen? Passive attacks and active attacks. So passive attacks are far more dangerous when compared with active attacks, which we already discussed in the previous class. If you don't watch that video, please go to the previous video. And after when the information is transferred through the information channel, again the message itself is secured. If you observe here, the message is secured message. Now that message will be sent to security related transformation again, that secret information. Now the secret information should be converted, the secure message should be converted to a normal message. Why? Because sender is sending a normal message, right? So if receiver can't understand the secret message, so here the decryption process will happen. So here with this process we can call it as enciphering, and this process we can call it as deciphering. Here decryption will happen. So what happens is, in encryption process, the message will be converted to a secret message, and it is sent through a proper transformation channel, okay, through a trusted third party, and that secret message or secure message is again converted to a normal message so that recipient can understand that information. Okay, so in this way our information will be very secure, and it transfers from sender to receiver. Now we will see who the opponent is. Here the opponent can be a human. For example, we can call him as a hacker or an intruder. And it can be software also. Virus, worm, Trojan. So these are all software. So an attack can happen in any way. Then attack can happen through a human, he can be a hacker, or through a software, it can be a virus, worm or Trojan. So here this opponent also access the information channel which we discussed in the previous diagram, right? So this is called access channel. Now what this access channel will do is, it has a gatekeeper function. That gatekeeper function is to check whether the person is authorized or not, whether he is an authorized person or not. So if at all he is a hacker or any virus or worm, this gatekeeper function will stop then and there. Okay. And here we have an information system which contains computing resources, data, process, software, and we also have a security controls here. So in order to secure all these things, we should have a gatekeeper function which always keeps an eye on the access channel, whereas access channel can be accessed by a trusted third party or an opponent. So for that reason we need a gatekeeper function. Why? Because in order to protect this information system, a gatekeeper functionality is must. So this is the model of inter-network security. So I hope you understand the topic. So we'll discuss the other topics in the later videos. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, I request everyone to please subscribe our channel. Please support our channel and please share our videos to your friends and well-wishers. Thank you. Have a nice day.